Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to solve talkback problem in Google phone device. Friends, you have guys talkback problem in a Google phone device and how to solve talkback problem in Google phone device. Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to solve talkback problem in Google phone device. Friends, you can see get this type of setting in your Google phone device and how to solve talkback problem. Friends, use your two finger guys, because with one finger guys we cannot solve guys talkback problem. So friends, first of all we will use guys this two finger to scroll screen. And friends, you can see guys your phone setting guys. So we will have to on guys phone setting guys, tap on setting, and friends double tap continue setting. Double tap guys continue phone setting, one tap, and double tap continue. Friends, you can see setting will on, and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type setting. So guys, where is talkback setting? Friends, you can talkback, you can solve guys talkback problem guys. Your accessibility setting guys, one tap here, and friends double tap here. Friends, you can see talkback setting guys, one tap here, and friends double tap again. Friends, you can see guys use talkback setting guys, scroll it, friends tap here, friends again double tap. Then guys, you can see stop button guys, tap here to solve guys talkback problem guys. We will have to double continue guys, two time guys, tap here. So friends, your talkback problem is solved. Friends, we can use our phone without any talkback problem in Google phone device. Friends, you can check, we can use our phone easily. Like that guys, you can solve friends your talkback problem in your Google phone device. So bye guys, we will meet on next video. Friends, do you went out related to guys your Google phone setting and guys your talkback setting? Friends, you can ask me comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.